subscribe to Healthy Naris.
Well, yeah, you're the first people we are telling. We have a new Boca which is coming up.
Hello food lovers, welcome to another Healthy Eats edition by Healthy Naris. Today we are so excited to bring to you an amazing location which is Carter Roads in Bandra. Do you see the sea? It's right behind us. Carter Road is known for its amazing view of the Arabian Sea, amazing street food, good options, healthy eating, and also if you want to do some street shopping. So we're going to do all that and more today. Our very first location, we are going to take you to this amazing place, the Library Cafe, for some delicious and healthy breakfast.
Yes, you heard it right. We are at Library Cafe at Bandra West, Carter Road. ये जगह बहुत warm और cozy है. यहाँ पे amazing food with amazing sea view and shoreline का view मिलेगा आपको. यहाँ पे Italian and continental dishes really famous. So let's enjoy the view with a book and with the amazing shoreline behind.
I'm very hungry, let's go.
Hi, today we are at Library Cafe. We have Ikram, the head chef, today with us. He'll take us through Library Cafe journey and the breakfast meal options and healthy options out there in Library Cafe.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So I think if you want to like a healthy breakfast, then you coming to the right place. So I have like a healthy option like a broccoli, fresh broccoli. Also that I didn't use that no Ajinomoto, no prawn touch.
Okay. No Ajinomoto
No
in
Ajinomoto.
broccoli.
Even didn't use that pinch of that color, food color. That is fresh. I hope you come the right place and inshallah try to put my food. I hope you enjoy also. And that one see now going to almost 3 years.
It's 3 years old. Yeah.
3 years.
Yeah, you should try the broccoli soup. It's really healthy. Broccoli is considered to be antioxidant and full of nutrients.
Oh, this looks so amazing. I think there's no preservatives or anything on this.
So no artificial colors and no artificial preservatives, he told me.
Oh my god.
Yeah, served with garlic bread.
Okay, this looks amazing. I'm loving the color. I'm gonna give this a try.
Yeah. How is it?
Oh my god. This is so good. So creamy. I'm getting a hint of broccoli and all the aromatic spices, but it is so refreshing and light.
So while you're having the broccoli soup, I will have a slice of avocado toast filled with fresh cherry tomatoes and avocado puree.
I finished this amazing soup, Sonal. I'm going to dig into this salad. It's
Even I want to try with you.
filled with lettuce and capsicum. For our audience, capsicum, yellow and red, especially filled with antioxidants. Very good for skin. It's like summer in a bowl, and it's so good. I'm so happy to be having this for breakfast.
Good for health fitness enthusiasts. So अगर आपको एक book और एक healthy juice enjoy करना है at an amazing sea view place, this is the place you should come. So this is the place I generally come with grabbing a coffee or a healthy juice with the book. Adla, you should try this juice.
Everything here has been so delicious today. Cheers to Healthy Naris.
Hey foodies, if your Japan travel plans are stuck in the group chat, this is the perfect alternative for you in Bandra West.
So I'm trying okonomiyaki. I've ordered the shrimp and avocado version. It's favorite Japanese street food treat. Okonomiyaki is a savory pancake that is very famous in Japan. It's loaded with toppings like bonito flakes, seaweed. You have your sesame seeds over here. So power packed, loaded with flavor, and also delicious. Let's dig into it. It's actually so delightful. It's tasting so good. Pancake has just transferred me to the streets of Japan. I feel like I am in one of their markets ordering a pancake. The flavors are all there and it tastes just like it. I'm excited to try this next dish, which is a salmon taco roll. Unique to Tamari, this concept has been introduced fresh. They are actually sushi in the shape of tacos. You have your crunch of taco, but you have all the flavorings of your sushi. I'm going to try the salmon roll. which has salmon, yuzu seasoning. You have tobacco, creamy avocado, sushi rice, cucumber, and yuzu kosher drizzle and chili crunch. As you know, salmon is filled with omega-3 fatty acids, so it is one of the highest flavor proteins out there, and it is fresh source, so we know we are eating healthy seafood. It's a taco, but it's also a sushi. You know that crunch, the taste of salmon is so good. Oh my god, so good. I'm trying the miso chicken ramen, which is made from creamy miso chicken broth and ramen noodles. Its base is soy milk, topped with amazing ingredients like mushrooms, nori silver, creamy ajinomoto, scallions. So let's dig in. I'm scared to spill. The miso flavored broth with the Naruto cakes is just out of dimensional. I'm just enjoying this. I'm trying the chicken skewered bulgogi bowl. This looks delicious. Chicken skewers, purple cabbage, carrots. As you can see, it has nori, seaweed. So good. I want to see if I can lift it with this chicken takoyaki is so good and so flavorful. From the streets of Japan, you can get the taste of Japan in this. It is light, flavorful, and the nori seaweed just adds a good punch to it. Hey foodies, welcome back after an amazing lunch at Tamari. We did a bit of shopping and we're here at Boca for our dessert and coffee options. Boca is a specialty coffee shop serving up healthy foods and amazing brews that have become the talk of the town. They are very famous with celebrities.
So at Boca, the vibes are very cozy, warm and sleek. So, coffee is not just a morning routine, it's a craft. And, the aroma of the coffee is filling in the air. So, let's go.
I'm good. So we've been working with Bengali staff for the last 10 years, I would say. The name Boca really stood out to us because we've been hearing this words of Boca for the last 10 years. So the name also is very catchy and unique. It has an identity to itself. And also we wanted to use the fun element, so which is why the name Boca. The best part is that we have endless varieties. The idea was to start a unique coffee shop in Bandra where you don't stick to your regular cappuccinos, your mochas or lattes. We've introduced something to the market called the Boca Bankers, which is our USP where we infuse cold brew to our coffees. So that's something which is very new and something different that we introduced. I don't think so it's a celebrity hotspot, but I just feel that if you're consistent and if you have a great product and a good space, it just becomes more accessible to people, I would say. So I don't think so it's a hotspot. I wouldn't like to call it that. But I just feel like we are more outgoing and friendly to all our guests, which is why it could be a hotspot. Yeah, if you go to see a cafe format, if you go to see, we didn't want to be a complete healthy cafe. Simultaneously, if you see the menu is also a balance of healthy and I would say regular dishes. So you have your avocado toast, right, from a gluten-free option. You have healthy points and rollings over here. You have gluten-free savory pancakes and waffles. So the menu as a whole is a complete. It's not just like, it's only healthy. So you have a good balance of both healthy as well as your regular dishes. When, you're the first people we are telling, we have a new Boca which is coming up, and that's going to be a Boca 2.0.
Oh, first to hear it on Healthy Nari's channel. Thank you so much for your time.
Cheers, Adi.
Jaggery sweetened hazelnut milk coffee is so good.
Very healthy. So what is this at Adla? What's the difference between both? Both the cakes. This is quinoa, I think. And chahar.
So I'm having a quinoa flour cake which is gluten free and its protein content is very high. So it's healthy, but you would never know because it looks so good.
It tastes yum.
How did jawar fit?
Doesn't look like there's jawar inside. Very nice. Yum.
The batter is so light, the chocolate is so dense, you don't come to know that.
Even the sweetness is like to the pan.
So here we are in Bandra where we covered 3 amazing eateries. Right from breakfast to your lunch to your coffee and dessert options, Bandra has it all and in also healthy forms. So we didn't compromise on our health or fitness goals today and that feels great. We're going to continue shopping and we're going to cover more spots in Bandra. So please stay tuned.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share and post your comments in the comment section below and tell us what are your favorite eateries around in Bandra. Tell us if you have been to Tamari, Poka and Library Cafe and what are your favorite takeaways from here. So happy eating and happy exploring until next time. Thank you.
अरे बताना चाहिए
आराम से
मेरा
BTS मिल गया